Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change the oil in a Subaru Forester. First, gather your essential tools: a suitable wrench for the drain plug, an oil filter wrench, a drain pan, and a funnel. Always ensure your vehicle is on a level surface and the engine is slightly warm, not hot, for optimal oil flow. For safety, if you need to lift the vehicle, always use sturdy jack stands to secure it properly before working underneath. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe oil change process. Now let's drain the old oil. Slide your drain pan under the vehicle, directly beneath the oil pan. The drain plug is typically a bolt located at the lowest point of the oil pan. Using your suitable wrench, carefully loosen and remove the plug. Allow approximately 4 to 5 quarts of the dark, used oil to completely drain into the pan. This step is crucial for removing contaminants and preparing for fresh lubrication. Next, we'll replace the oil filter. On many Subaru Forester models, the oil filter is conveniently located on top of the engine, making it easily accessible. Use your oil filter wrench to carefully loosen and remove the old filter. Be prepared for a small amount of residual oil to drip out. Before installing the new filter, apply a thin film of fresh oil to its rubber gasket. This ensures a proper seal and prevents leaks. Finally, it's time for fresh oil. First, securely tighten the drain plug and install the new oil filter by hand, then an additional 1/4 to 1/2 turn with the wrench. Using a funnel, add approximately 4 8/10 quarts of the recommended 5W30 synthetic oil. Start the engine briefly, then turn it off. After a few minutes, check the oil level with the dipstick and inspect for any leaks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.